Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today I'm going to show you how to find accessory ignition wire for dash cams or other electronics that need to have a ignition trigger on a Ford F150 2019. So we're going to show you where is the trigger wire we have found, but we're still going to use that one only to trigger a relay. We're not going to use the connection directly to it, and for a simple reason, you don't want to create any feedback or anything that will have an issue. So many times people look at the fuse box and other areas. We went to the back of the mirror. There's a connector in here, and this connector has one wire, a bit tricky because the wire is actually black wire, and that wire has a 12 volt on it. So as you see, the ignition is off right now, 12 volt is not there. As soon as we plug it in, we have 12.2. When the car will start, we'll have a full 13.6 volt. Ignition off, and this goes away. Now again, we're gonna be using that only as a trigger to our relay. We're not gonna use this wire as a direct connection. You can, but preferably to use a trigger to a relay. That way you know that you're only taking power from a heavy source of power. For more videos of how to do, you can always subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching us, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.